from class 8C. Welcome you all in this RES news channel. Let's see some top news headlines of this week, starting with some of the school news. Summer vacation has been come to an end on 28th of June in Rajneesh School. Now, some CBSE news. CBSE asked students to apply for Central Sector Scholarship Scheme. Now, some national news. Article 370 was against Ambedkar's ideology of one's constitution for United India. India imposes land and seaport restrictions on June from Bangladesh. Now, some international news. At least 60 people killed in Israeli strikes in Gaza as ceasefire prospect inch closer. A suicide attack claimed by Pakistani Taiwan killed 16 soldiers. Now, some of the education news. I set on IISc City Students Tops IISER test. IIM Kashipur begins 2025 to 2027 academic year with 433 students, 201 women enrolled. Now, some entertainment news. Taylor Swift love story performance with Travis Kelce and George Kittle goes viral. Kaanta Laga frame Shefali Jariwala passed away at 42 on Friday in Mumbai. Now, some of the sport news. Australia crushed Wendy's to win opening test in Barbados. The biggest realization was that what I have is enough. Gujarat Titans, Sai Kishore. Now, some of the other news. Kolkata college student rape case, Trinamool Congress MP Kalyan Banerjee's comments spark outrage. Now, NCW chairperson writes to Bengal Chief Secretary over South Kolkata Law College gang rape. Now, some of the Scout Guide news. Scouts, guides, rovers, rangers, and leaders of the Kharagpur District Association, Southeastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides actively served during the Rath Yatra celebrations on 27 June 2025. Now, let's meet after a short break. Now, let's see these news headlines in detail. Starting with some of the school news. The summer vacation has come to an end on 28 June. All students are informed to report back to school on the same date. We look forward to seeing you all and welcoming you back for the new academic session. Make sure to catch up on any missed work and to be ready for a fresh start. Now, some CBSE news. The CBSE has asked students to affiliated schools to apply for the Central Sector Scheme for scholarship of college and university students for national session. Now, some national news. Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai on Saturday said Bhimrao Ambedkar envisioned one constitution for the country to keep it united and never favored the idea of a united and a separate constitution for a state. Weeks after imposing land ports from restrictions to appeal exports from Bangladesh, India has ordered jute from Bangladesh will not be allowed to enter India through land ports on India-Bangladesh border. Now, some of the international news. At least 60 people were killed across Gaza by Israeli strikes, health workers said Saturday, as Palestinians face a growing humanitarian crisis in Gaza and ceasefire prospects inch closer. A suicide bomber rammed an explosive-laden vehicle into a military convoy, said a local government officials in North Waziristan district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. Now, some of the education news. Disant Basu, a student of DPS Ruby Park, emerged as the national topper in IISER Aptitude Test IAT and All India Test for admission to 7 IISERs, IISc Bangalore and IIT Madras. The Indian Institute of Management IIM Kashipur has commenced the academic year 2025-27 including 433 students across its programs, the MBA and PhD. Now, some entertainment news. Taylor Swift delighted fans and NCF stars alike this week when she has led impromptu performance of her 2008 hit love story alongside her boyfriend and Kansas City Chiefs star Travis Kelce. Actor model Shefali Jariwala passed away at the age of 42 on Friday in Mumbai. She was reportedly rushed to Believe multi-specialty hospital by her husband Prag Tyagi and 3 others were doctors later declared her dead. Now, some of the sports news. Australia ruthlessly completed a 159-run victory over West Indies in the first test on Friday as Nathan Lyon swept up the tail after Josh Hailwood's 5 wickets masterclass broke the host resistance on a pitch that decorated into a bowler's paradise. In this year, Indian Premier League with Tamil Nadu left arm spinner Sai Kishore finally had the breakthrough season he had been looking for. Now, some of the other news. Senior Trinamool Congress MP Kalyan Banerjee comment on the Kolkata law student rape case have sparked widespread outrage and criticism among the opposition and the common people of the West Bengal. The National Commission for the Women has written for the Chief Secretary of West Bengal directing urgent action in the South Kolkata gang rape case for the state's policies cooperation for a right maintaining between a member of the rights panel and the survivor of her family. Now, some of the Scout Guide news. Scout Guides, Rovers, Rangers, and leaders of Kharagpur District Association, Southeastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides actively served during the Rath Yatra celebration on June 25, 2025. They played a crucial role in crowd controlling, ensuring safe and smooth experience for all devotees. Their dedication and efforts were instrumental in the successful conduct of the event. Thank you and stay connected with RES News.